how investors are scammed, common frauds, and how to protect yourself. In the world of finance, dangers are everywhere, and investors are a prime target for scammers. Whether it's about cryptocurrencies, stocks, real estate, or other investments, fraudsters are becoming increasingly sophisticated. In this video, we'll show you the most common scams, how to identify them, and how to protect yourself. Watch until the end to get valuable tips to safeguard your assets. Chapter 1. Why investors are a prime target. Scammers specifically target investors because they often seek high returns and are willing to take risks. Here are the main reasons why investors are vulnerable. 1. Emotions and greed. The prospect of quick profits makes many people overlook red flags. Scammers exploit this weakness. 2. Complexity of the financial world. Many investors do not fully understand the intricacies of investments. Scammers use technical jargon and complicated explanations to build trust. 3. Anonymity of the internet. Online platforms and social media make it easier for scammers to pose as experts and deceive their victims. Chapter 2. The most common scams. 1. Ponzi and pyramid schemes. How it works. Investors are lured with high returns that are paid out using funds from new investors. The system collapses once no new investors can be found. How to spot it. O. Promises of guaranteed high returns. O. No transparent business model. 2. Fake platforms and wallets. How it works. Scammers create fake websites or wallets that look like legitimate platforms. Investors enter their data and lose their funds. How to spot it. O. Spelling errors or unusual web addresses. O. Unexpected emails or messages with links. 3. Insider tips and pump and dump schemes. How it works. Scammers buy cheap stocks or cryptocurrencies, hype them with false information, and sell when prices rise, leaving others with losses. How to spot it. O. Aggressive promotion on social media. O. No verifiable basis for the hype. 4. Fake financial advisors and influencers. How it works. Individuals pose as experts and urge investors to invest in products they control. How to spot it. O. Lack of transparency. O. No verifiable qualifications. 5. Phishing and identity theft. How it works. Scammers send emails or messages that appear trustworthy to steal passwords or bank details. How to spot it. O. Urgent requests to provide sensitive information. O. Links to fake websites. Chapter 3. How to identify and avoid scams. 1. Question. Unrealistic promises. O. High returns with no risk do not exist. Legitimate investments always carry some level of risk. 2. Verify platforms and providers. O. Research online reviews and experiences. O. Use official sources to check the licensing of a financial provider. 3. Be wary of unsolicited offers. O. Legitimate financial advisors do not contact you out of the blue. 4. Use two-factor authentication. O. Secure your accounts and wallets with additional security measures. 5. Stay skeptical. O. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Chapter 4. Tips for long-term security. 1. Education. O. Regularly inform yourself about investments and financial topics. The more you know, the harder it is for scammers to deceive you. 2. Diversification. O. Don't put all your money into a single type of investment. 3. Trust your instincts. O. If something feels off or untrustworthy, step back. 4th report. Scammers. O. Notify authorities or platforms when you encounter scammers to protect others. Conclusion. Scammers are becoming increasingly creative, but with the right knowledge, you can protect yourself. Don't be swayed by unrealistic promises and always do thorough research before investing. What experiences have you had with investments? Share them in the comments and let the community know your tips. If you have questions about a specific topic, let us know. We might make a video about it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more valuable tips. See you in the next video.